I was here last year, so it's changed a little bit. The sound system's better. The DJ booth's in a better position. Overall, it's looking really good. So hopefully, it's going to be a good party tonight.